Hey everyone, we're going to go ahead and revisit this Laserwash G5. This time we'll do in kind of an outside view, but right after the triple foam pass, we're going to do inside view one more time, possibly. So there's like a lot of birds right now. They better be careful now. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and enter the code since the card reader, the last time when I've been there, it does not work. So we'll go ahead and enter the code. So I got a wash code for this thing. So it is 508994. 50. Does work. So what we're gonna do is reverse the car again. I hope nobody's behind me on this one. Okay, it looks like nobody's behind me. I like to position my car. The pay station's a bit too far. All right, here we go. Windows closed. Here we go. Guess we'll do an outside view. Why not? Just for a little bit. No undercarriage. Okay, that's kind of odd. Oh, back up. You know what? Yeah, okay. Act fast. Here we go. All right, just like what the Southernerd said, act fast and let the wash begin. Eventually, there we go. All right, nice coverage of pre-soak. Oh, it runs better. Usually makes a bang sound sometimes. Looks like they actually added a new boom arm to this thing. Cool. They added a new boom arm to this thing. All right, second coating of pre-soak. And then we'll do the back side. All right. When the triple foam activates, I'm going to try to run and get back inside. Hopefully I can do it. If not, it's fine. I guess I can just wait until the dryer's activated. Because I have no driver and I'm actually solo right now. Here we go. Hey, they actually fixed the turbo nozzle. Nice. They fixed the turbo nozzle. Hooray. Nice, they fixed it. I guess some of it, that does not work. Damn it. Alright, here comes the tri-foam. Alright, here we go. We got to act fast. Here we go. Hurry up. Alright. Got some in my car. It doesn't even matter. I'll just, I'll vacuum this thing later. What are we getting next? Looks like the overhead thing does not even work. Oh, this thing does not work either. It was working earlier, y'all. phosphate rinse. Two turbo nozzles does not even work. That kind of sucks. Oh, luster foam. Hey, they added some extra high pressure rims. Nice. That's new. Laser wash. That's what it is. They call it a laser wash for sure. God damn. Oh, this one's fixed. Good. This one they fixed it. Good. That one, that's fixed. So the one, this one does not even work. 0 degree turn. Yeah, 0 degree nozzles. Yeah, you know where that goes. Here we go. Dryer's activated. Yeah, here we go. All right, see how it does. The max air dryers. Here we go. Not too well. Maybe a bump. There we go. Last time I got confused. I thought I got hit the pole, but no, it was actually a slanted bump on this thing. Dry timer still does not work on this thing. Alright, let's do something. Since they're still activated, why not? Nice. Told you that was a good one. That was a great idea to do that. Just like how onboard dryers work, they go back and forth usually. Okay, so that was the 3rd time I visited this place. I'm very surprised they did not even think about replacing it. But at the same time, goddamn, bro, loud, yeah, very loud turbo nozzles that does not even work. I thought the first one, they actually fixed the top one, but it did not work properly when they did a couple more rinse stages. They actually added an extra step, high pressure rinse, and they did not activate the top part of the rinse, the top arches. So that kind of sucks more or less, but yeah. Let's go see the after results. All right, so here's the after results of my car. I'm actually very surprised for the age of the G5. It's actually pretty clean. Wow. On a roll, Circle K, on the Telge Road, man. The employees are very nice too. Big shout out to one of the employees, especially whoever maintained the car wash. Excellent, man. Excellent. But, I mean, of course, it needs some TLC, but it is so hard to maintain a Laserwash G5, so I'll give this a 9 out of 10 for this one. Actually, I'll give it an 8.5. Thanks for watching for this video. Like, subscribe, and I think this might be my last car wash video of the summer before I started my car wash campus. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody.